The existence of aliens has been a topic of fascination for centuries. With recent advancements in technology and space exploration, the possibility of extraterrestrial life seems even more real. Several sightings and encounters have been reported throughout history, some of which have been documented and cannot be easily explained. While there is no concrete evidence to prove the existence of aliens, many scientists and researchers believe that there might be some form of life on other planets. The sheer vastness of the universe makes it statistically improbable that Earth is the only planet capable of sustaining life. Additionally, there have been several anomalies and unexplained phenomena observed in space, such as strange lights and objects moving in unexpected ways. Some of these events might be natural occurrences, but others could be signs of extraterrestrial activity. In conclusion, while there is no definitive proof of the existence of aliens, the possibility cannot be ruled out. With more research and exploration, we might discover new evidence that sheds light on this age-old mystery.